Welcome if you are new. So I have a really exciting unboxing for you guys to be unboxing the wave kit from Mermade Hair. I just got this in and I'm super excited to open it up and give it a try and see how it works. So let's get started. So it comes with a lot of different combs. So that's cool. Got this giant hair clip so that I can kind of separate everything maybe while I'm doing it. And then the waver itself. This is ginormous. Get this bad boy out of here. Oh, maybe. I'll try to get it out. I got it out. This is huge. Whee! It's kind of intimidating. Oh my goodness. It also came with this Silk Pillowcase. This is so... Oh, it came with two. There's two pink pillowcases. Look how that's pretty big. I'm excited to try those out too. They seem really nice. And then it came with a glove to use while you're using the tool, which I don't normally use these even when they come in the things that I have, but I mean, it's nice. And then it came with a case for it. So that is what was inside. So now let's plug this in, and my hair's really long, so I'm really wondering how this is going to work out for me, but we are going to dive right in and see how it goes. Okay, so I got it turned on. It goes up to 410. I have pretty thick hair, so I turned it all the way up, I guess. We'll see how that works for me. I went ahead and sectioned off my hair because, like I said, my hair is super thick, so we're gonna start with these bottom layers and see what we can do. So we're just gonna get started. You can hold it this way, oh my goodness, or this way it says. So I guess I'm gonna try this way first and see which way I like better. So I'm just gonna clamp it down. It says to hold it for 2 to 5 seconds and then just continue to work your way down. So I'm pretty sure that was past 5 seconds. Let's see. I mean, that's a cute little wave. Let's see. Oh, these little pieces hanging out. Okay, so that was just a quick run through. I like it. I mean, it's a cute little wave. Kind of have a gap going on there. I feel like I'm gonna have to go back. I feel like the real test is going to be trying to get way back in the back of my head, because I can't necessarily, and this thing is, I mean, it's pretty heavy. It's not like super heavy, but it's got some weight to it. But I'm liking how it's turning out so far. And you can, like, you're able to touch these up here too, I guess. So I sectioned off this side and I pulled the top layer down on this side, and I'm gonna work on this side and see how this goes. It's actually working pretty well. It's very hot. I'm thinking about maybe turning the temperature down a bit because it is extremely hot at 410. Like, very hot. I would say I'm probably gonna turn it down a little bit because it does get very hot, but it works really well. I'm actually really liking this. That was a pretty one. That worked really nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn it down a bit because that's really hot. Okay, let's move on to another one. Okay, so I'm finished with this side. It didn't take me but maybe 5 minutes, maybe a little longer, just to get used to it. So I'm gonna let these sit, and then I'm gonna work on this side, and then we'll comb through it all and see how it looks. Okay, now that I'm done, it looks pretty good. I think I did good for my first time. I'm gonna take this bigger comb, and I'm just gonna kind of comb through a little bit so I have a little more of a beachy wave type look, but you could totally leave it the way it is. I really like it. I'm super excited, you guys. It looks so cute. I mean, I could use a little practice, but it gave me a little bit of volume, which, like I said, my hair is pretty thick already, but I like it. It turned out so cute. I'm loving this. This is something totally new for me. I usually just wear my hair like straight or it's curled, but I will be sure to let you guys know how long it lasts. Let's see how many days I can keep it looking good. I'm obsessed, actually. I really like this. I really do. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. They also have this in a different color. There's purple, but I got the pink one. So yeah, and they have lots of other goodies on the site. Works so well. Like, I'm super impressed. Like I said, it's a little heavy, but not too bad. I love this. I have a link below, so be sure to check that out and use my code. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have you tried it? Are you wanting to try it? So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and we will see you guys next time.